Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capability of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since June 26, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.33. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 3.29%. This results in an average daily loss of -0.55% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, presenting a promising buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $303.85 be breached, it will initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 31.11% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 26.45% and 68.1%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 21.85%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from -5.46% to +105.43% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price in the range of $297.85 to $647.19. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Tesla. The Tesla stock price experienced a decline of 0.19% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 3rd of July, 2025. The stock dropped from $315.65 to $315.05. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.03%, with a day low of $312.79 and a day high of $319.14. Notably, the price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, with an overall decline of 2.17% during this period. Additionally, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which, contrary to initial concerns, is often a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 62 million shares, with a total of 57 million shares exchanged for approximately $17.820 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, while the lowest was $182. Currently, the price is 35.51%, or $173.49, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock performance is currently reflecting a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities. As of the 3rd of July, 2025, the company reported a significant decline in vehicle deliveries for the second quarter, down 13.5% year-over-year to 384,122 units, which missed Wall Street's expectations. This weak delivery report sparked a notable 5% increase in shares to $317. Although it remains down 22% year-to-date, this volatility underlines broader concerns about the company's market position, particularly with sales falling sharply in Europe and facing fierce competition from local manufacturers in China. On the positive side, a contingent of contrarian investors is intrigued by the Nebius Group's integration of artificial intelligence technologies, akin to Tesla's ambitions. This aligns with Elon Musk's vision of steering Tesla towards becoming a leader in robotics and artificial intelligence. His recent assertions regarding new self-driving features in Austin might enhance investor sentiment, though skepticism remains over their performance against competitors like Waymo, which is rapidly expanding its autonomous services. Analysts from Wedbush have described the heart and lungs of Tesla's growth potential in China as intact, despite recent setbacks, offering a glimmer of optimism. However, warnings loom as evaluations suggest a significant potential downside to Tesla's current stock price. This mix of ambition in technological advancements and ongoing sales struggles will continue to shape market reactions in the short and long term. In the immediate future, investor sentiment will hinge on delivery performance, competition, and the execution of new technologies, with longer-term prospects relying heavily on successful adaptation to the evolving automotive landscape. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, UBS rated Tesla with a sell grade, also opting for a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush gave Tesla an outperform grade while keeping a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs rated Tesla as neutral, once again with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade but implemented a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts suggest a buy rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Tesla stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $318 and $330.71. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has fallen by 13.18%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional indicators that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 100 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $284.70 and $272.20. There is an inherent risk when a stock approaches a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In Tesla's case, if the support at $284.70 is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $272.20 and $252.40. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.35 between its high and low, resulting in a change of 2.03%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $430 million. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $326.09. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $284.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On June 12, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong conducted an insider sale of 15,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which is the right to buy. On June 12, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong also conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On June 12, 2025, Zhu Xiaotong made another insider sale of 15,000 shares of common stock. On June 5, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav conducted an insider sale of 6,538 shares of a restricted stock unit. On June 5, 2025, Taneja Vaibhav also made an insider purchase of 6,538 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 52.07. Overall, insiders purchased 1,117,872 shares and sold 3,760,826 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and there is no stop loss established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? The Tesla stock presents several negative signals, and despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Tesla will perform weakly in the upcoming days or weeks. Thus, our evaluation of this stock is negative. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 7th of July, we expect Tesla to open higher by 610 of a dollar, starting at 315 and 66 of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.